Assalamu alaikum. This is Kulsum Zehra, your mentor for the course of English Grammar. The topic of our today's lecture is a present perfect tense. A present perfect tense is a verb tense that describes an action or a state that either occurred at an indefinite time in the past or began in the past and continued to the present time. For example, Tom is looking for his keys. He can't find it. He has lost it. It means that the action, which in this case is Tom has lost his keys, has begun in the past and is still continued, which is Tom can find his keys still and he has misplaced his keys. The structure we use for a present perfect tense is a subject plus has have plus a past participle and an object. For subjects like he, she, it and singular we use has followed by a past participle which can be like finished, lost, done, etc. Or for subjects like I, we, you, they and plurals we use have followed by a past participle. A present perfect tense is connected with now in the sense that it is usually the result of an action that started in the past. For example, if A asks, "Where's my key?" and B replies, "I don't know, I've lost it," it means that the person replying has lost the keys, which is a result in the present of an action that started in the past, which is loss of keys. Similarly, if someone asks, "Is Sally here?" and the other person replies, "No, she has gone out," the result is she is not here, which is the result of an action that started in the past. A present perfect tense can also be used with words like just, already, and yet. Just, which is used to indicate a short time ago, as if someone asks, "Are you hungry?" and the other person replies, "No, I've just had lunch." Similarly, if someone says, "Hello, have you just arrived?" this has been used to show a period a shorter time ago. Similarly, already can be used to indicate something that happened sooner than the expected time. For example, "Don't forget to send the letter. I have already sent it." It means that the action of sending letter has been performed already. Similarly, yet means until now. It can be used as, "Has it stopped raining yet?" or "I have written the letter but I haven't sent it yet." So for words like just, already and yet we use a present perfect tense. We also use a present perfect tense with today, this evening, this year, etc. when these periods are not finished at the time of speaking. For example, "I've drunk 4 cups of coffee today." Similarly, "Have you had a holiday this year?" or "I haven't seen Tom this morning. Have you?" In all these sentences, we have used the present perfect tense with words like today, this evening, and this year because the period is not finished still. A present perfect tense can also be used when we say that it's the first, second, or third time of an action. For example, Don is having a driving lesson. It's his first time. It's the first time he has driven a car. Similarly, Sarah has lost her passport again. This is the second time this has happened. Or Bill is phoning his girlfriend. That's the third time he has phoned her this evening. In all these sentences, when we say that it's the first, second or third time an action is happening, we have used a present perfect tense. Thank you so much. For more videos, do subscribe the channel.